Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. You have put in so much work over the past few weeks, and I really applaud that. I know it is so much information in such a short period of time. So we're going to continue on. So week 4 is the start of halfway done with this summer session. So keep really pushing through. This week we will do another discussion board. It is set up a little bit different. We'll go over that. And then really we're going to be diving into infectious diseases and really the impacts of those. So for this week, you will only have one announcement. So this will cover both 4A and 4B because this infectious disease assignment covers the entire week. So you will have that extended time to complete it. So you will be responsible for reading chapter 9 and chapter 10, and then taking each of those quizzes. Last week, you started to review This Podcast Will Kill You. And so now is really when we're going to implement that into the work that you're going to be doing. So you're going to look at this podcast, really take a very critical approach as to the individuals who are responsible for researching each of these diseases, and it will have each of the episodes. And so you'll be able to find your diseases that you are assigned to. So for this week, you have an infectious disease research assignment. So what I really want you to pay attention to is the last name indicates which diseases you are going to be looking at. So for instance, if your last name is Smith, you're going to go down and I have to say QRST. So S is going to be right here. You will be rabies and smallpox, and that is what you will be responsible for researching. So you'll just have those two diseases. So this is the instruction. Each disease you need to research and outline. Okay. I recommend typing up your responses in Word until you're ready to post, just because of the way Blackboard discussion boards work. These are the items that you really need to pay attention to. Something I'm noticing is sometimes people are missing points because they're only including one part of the question. So for instance, A has 2 questions. Please answer and pay attention to both of these. That's going to be really important in moving forward. Total, it's 250 points, so it's 125 points per disease, but then you also have to reply to 5 peer posts, so it's 50 points. So this assignment is a 300-point assignment because it's so critical to understanding really origins of disease, signs and symptoms, and then what it looks like in the future. Okay, so this is the main project, and I'll go through and show you 4B. So you'll continue. So the research assignment, your assigned diseases are going to be due at the end of this week. So that's going to be Sunday, June 26th. And then you will also have unit exam 2. So unit exam 2 is not going to be due on the 26th, but you will have until July 7th to take that. So this is really something that you're going to want to, I apologize, it is not June 26th. The research assignment is going to be due on Sunday, July 3rd. I was looking at the wrong date. So I'll make sure that that is very clear. So June 26th is the end of week 3. And then you will have until July 3rd to complete week 4. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions. But for week 4A and 4B, you have to read chapter 9 and 10, go through and take each of those quizzes, and then in 4A you will find the research assignment that you are responsible for completing, and then you will also be able to take unit exam 2 if you want, but it is due Thursday, July 7th. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a really good week.